All right, I'm gonna speed run all the Nerdles. If you're unfamiliar with Nerdle, Nerdle is Wordle but with numbers, so it's a math equation. Um, I'm just gonna do all the games. They've got there are 8 different games I think here. I forget what I start with. 12 divided by 4, I think, is what I did. I try to use as many numbers as possible. A couple different symbols. 12 divided by 4 plus 3 equals 7, I think is what I usually do. No, equals 6. Okay, so this uses 5 unique characters, division and addition. Seems like a pretty good equation to start with. Um, so it's got to be some valid equation here. So we get a lot of information there. The equal sign is always interesting. So this is going to have to equal a double-digit number. And when you get addition, so a lot of times it'll be like a double-digit number plus a double-digit number equals a double-digit number. So that format makes a lot of sense to me. So I think I can probably just start with 24, move the 2, move the 4, then do plus, and then 70, 75. That would equal 99. I don't love that, but just because I'm using the 9 twice, but it works. Let's see how this does. Okay, so plus doesn't go there, which is weird because I didn't get the format right. The equal sign does go there, but so maybe it's plus. There could be 2 addition signs. It could be single digit plus single digit equals double digit. So maybe I just do so there's no 1 in the answer, so the numbers would have to be pretty big. We haven't used 8 yet. 8 plus 5 plus 4. Yeah, you can't get into the 20s with 3 numbers, can you? Or at least not with these 3 numbers. If you use 8 twice, you could. Weird. So maybe there's a multiplication if it gets to double digits then. So 2 numbers multiplied together plus a number. So 5 times 4 is 20. Kind of like that. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 8 is 28. You just use the 8 twice. I don't hate that. I think that works for what we've got here, right? Okay, so it's just going to be a repeated number. It could be any of these 4, I think, which is unfortunate. 2, 4, or 0. It can't be 5 because we already used 5 there. Okay, but it could be any of the other 3. I guess I haven't used 0 yet, so I could just do 0. I don't think they usually do that. I don't think they usually add 0. Maybe they do. Let's get the 0 involved just to make sure. Equals 20. But I'm going to be going up against it here. Yeah, this isn't. So I mean, I could just make an equation with a double 4 and a double 2. I mean, at this point, I might as well just try it. 5 times 4 plus 2 equals 22. There it is. All right, cool. So let's jump back. So hopefully you got the gist of Nerdle if you're unfamiliar. But I'm going to do, so each of these games is just a little bit different. Mini Nerdle is just a smaller version, so this should be even easier. So I don't even remember what I do here. So 12 divided by 3 equals 4. That's fine. Okay, so wow, that's actually, getting 2 greens off the bat is really nice. It's not divided by, it equals a single digit number, so maybe double digit minus single digit. So like 15 minus 6 equals 9. Haven't used 5, 6, or 9 yet. Haven't used minus. Okay, it does equal 9, so 18 minus, or 17 minus 8. 17 minus 8 equals 9. I think it actually has to be that. It doesn't. Okay, 18 minus 9 equals 9. Okay, this hasn't gone extremely smoothly so far, but let's keep it rolling. Okay, micro Nerdle. Oh, it's even smaller. Okay, so we're just getting easier as we go here. That's kind of funny. Okay, so single digit divided by single digit equals single digit, maybe. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Wow, okay. It has to be minus, because it can, yeah, it's just 8 minus 4 equals 4. Okay, awesome. That one did go smoothly. Very, very cool. I don't know why the game's reloading. Maxi Nerdle. Okay, this one's crazy. This is, so there can be exponents and stuff. There can be squareds and cubes. Okay, I forget what I usually start with here. I like this 12 divided by 4. It's just, or 12 divided by 3 uses 1, 2, and 3. So then we have a 4, and then, so that's 4. Maybe get some parentheses involved. So 4, and then like times, I don't know, maybe not times. Plus, I'm going to get parentheses involved, I think, just for the sake of it. plus, and then I can just put one number in parentheses. It's kind of stupid to do, but 5. So that equals 4 plus, so that equals 9. So that works. Okay, so no parentheses. We got rid of a bunch of stuff. Just used as many unique things as I could. So there is addition. We actually got like not a lot of information here at all, but it equals a single-digit number, which is crazy. Because the only thing we have, there's no division in it, so the only thing we have that makes numbers smaller is subtraction at this point. So there's definitely going to have to be subtraction in it if it equals a single-digit number. And there's probably not exponents unless we're squaring twice or something and like subtracting those things. So addition, okay. Maxing Nerdle, this one is the hardest, I think. Just making a massive equation. I can't believe I got so little information. I feel like I might as well check double 1. Let's do like 110 minus, it has to equal a single digit number. This is going to be hard to do. I have 4 characters left. How do I even fill that? There has to be addition as well. Okay, so 18. I think there's probably not multiplication. Oh, man. Okay, this is just an awkward amount of number, like characters to try to fill for an equation. So, I don't know. I just want to get some unique numbers in here. And I don't really know how. Especially if it's going to equal a single-digit number. It's just hard to do. Starts with a 1. I hate that it starts with a 1. I don't know. 18 plus... Yeah, I can do 18 plus 60 something minus 70 something. That could be... Yeah. 18 plus... probably could do 64 minus another double digit, so 70 something. So this is 18 plus 64 is 82 minus 76 would be 6 minus 74 would be 8. I like that better. Minus 74 equals 8. I think that works. 18 plus 64 is 82. Yeah, this works. Okay, that is where the minus goes. How are there... So it's all 1s and 0s? This is nuts, dude. It's all 1s and 0s. I guess I could multiply by 0, and that would just like... I don't know if I have room to multiply anymore, actually, now that we have a... We have to put an addition and a subtraction. This is so weird. 1s and 0s is nuts. I don't know. 100... So this has to be a triple-digit number now, right? Unless there was like a subtraction sign here, or addition, I guess. But addition can't go. I guess the subtraction sign could go there as well. 100 plus. No, it can't be 100 because then we can't subtract a triple-digit number and we can't subtract 90 something. So that's not going to work. What is going on? I don't understand this at all. It could be like 1 times 0. This is so weird. So 10, where is this? So the plus has to go either second or fourth. I feel like it almost can't go fourth. We can't have a triple digit number here. I've come to that conclusion. So let me try some things with plus here. 1 plus 0. It's not going to be like minus double 0. How am I going to subtract a double digit number? I only have 1s and 0s in this. So I think it has to equal 0 at the end. There's no way, because we can't subtract. So how are we going to... It must be minus 10 here. But how do I make the rest of this 10, I think, is the question. This can't even be a double-digit number, because that doesn't work structurally. If I put a double-digit number here, 10... Yeah, there's no... If I put a double-digit number here, there's nowhere for the plus to go, because the plus doesn't make any sense here. So this can't be a double-digit number. So this is a sign. This is either plus or minus. Then this is a number, plus or minus a number, minus a double-digit number. How does that work? I mean, I can do 01, but that seems really dumb. It doesn't usually... Oh, I can do 1 squared. Okay. So 1 plus 0 minus 0 minus 1 squared or cubed, it doesn't matter, equals 0. This is the dumbest equation of all time, but I think this is possible. Okay, so I have the right idea. It's probably cubed. It could be plus 1 minus 1. So it could just be 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 1 cubed equals 0. So stupid, dude. I hated that. Okay, let's keep it rolling. Okay, this is going to be a longer video than I anticipated. I thought I usually cruise through these better than this. Okay, what's going on? Just go back to the page. Okay, by Nerdle, a little bit tougher, but not as bad as that maxi one. So 12 divided by 4 plus 3 equals 7 is my usual. Okay, why aren't you typing? 12 divided by 4. I don't even really know. I might switch the 4 and the 3, but they're interchangeable here. I don't know how consistent I am with it. 12 divided by 4 plus 3 is not equal 7. It equals 6. Okay. Not a lot of information. We have no sign, so it's all subtraction and multiplication. It's going to equal at least a double digit in both cases. So let's go, I don't know, 98. I'm just going to go double digit minus double digit equals double digit here, I think. We have a 3 in the top, a 4 in the bottom. There's a 6 in both of them. Let's just try to get as many new numbers in as we can. Let's go 64, and that equals 34. Kind of hate it, but whatever. That's good enough. All right. Okay, so this one is double digit minus double digit equals double digit. So maybe I'll just try to figure that one out first. So it equals 30 something. So, I mean, this probably has to start with 8, maybe? How is it going to be subtraction and equal 30 something? 80, and there's no, it's going to have to be minus 30. So 60, 69, it's going to have to be 60 something minus 30 something, isn't it? I think that's the only way we can make this happen with these numbers. 60, but 8 and 9 don't work at all. How am I getting an 8 and a 9 here without a 1? Where are 8 and 9 fitting into this equation? 90, and then the fact that I can't subtract 60 is really weird. I'm really confused by this. We still have 5 and 7, but okay. So maybe that's how this is working. I forgot about 5 and 7. Okay, so 60. I guess, I mean, I could just use these numbers actually. Wait, 68 minus, no, this doesn't work. 78 does though. But then I don't have a 6. I was 78 minus 39 would equal 39. But I don't use the 6. How am I going to use 6 in here? I'm a little out of practice with my Nerdles, honestly. Man, and this bottom one is going to equal a triple digit number. I didn't even notice that. All right, so this is going to be multiplication. Maybe I can get these other numbers in here and try to help myself figure out this top one. So it's going to be double digit times single digit equals triple digit. I think that's the only structure that works for this bottom one. That type of multiplication is pretty hard, but it does end in a 6, and it has an 8 here. An 8, so 8 times what ends in a 6? 8 times 7 ends in a 6. So, and this has to be a big number, huh? So the smallest number that I could put in front of this 8 is a 4, and it seems like pretty reasonable that the 4 would go there. 4 times, so 48, but it can't be, times 7 equals, so 50 times 7 is 350. There's no 3 in this, though, so it's not going to work. So 4 doesn't work here, but I think it is probably 8 times 7. I think that's, what else ends in a 6 when you multiply by 8? 16. Okay, so 2, but 2, we don't have a 2. 2 and 7. Okay, so I think it's probably, we must be multiplying by 7 here. And this is not a 4. So this 4 probably goes here, if I had to guess. So that would have to make this a little bigger. 67, or 68 times 7 ends in, that starts with a 4. 68 times 7 equals 400. something 6. Please work. 70 times 7 would be 490 minus 14 is, yeah, 480. No, 476. I think this works. Oh, God, are you kidding me? So 4 doesn't go there either. It can't go here. So 4 goes here. This ends in 46. Do we have any? We don't have any 7s in this one either. God, this top equation is throwing me for a loop. Okay, what is this number going to be then? So is it 88 times 7? No, that would be in the 500s. No, that would be in the... Wait, that actually might be in the 600s. Is it? 88 times 7, 90 times 7, yeah, 630, and then minus 14. Okay, this is 88 times 7. 88 times 7 equals 46. That's it. Not 46. No, it must be 46. Wait. Oh. Wait. Okay. 78? Oh, I haven't used the 5 yet. That's probably the problem. That's probably what it is. 70. Okay, 78 times 7. So 8 times 7 is 560. Yeah, that's it. Perfect. Okay, now we got a 5 in. Okay, and we do have a 5 in this equation. Still pretty confused about it, though. So can't start with 6, can't start with 9. It can't start with 5, because what would we subtract? That would be in the 30s. Yeah, the fact that we don't have a 1, 2, or 3 makes this like very limited. It must start with 8. Like, there's no way that it doesn't start with 8, right? 8. But 80-something minus what? 80-something minus 50-something? That would work. Maybe. Actually, like, kind of not, though. Oh, I haven't used 0 yet. Maybe that's... Where is the 6 going to go? Or the 9? Like, I was just thinking... Like, it could be 89 minus 69 equals 30. Or, no, I meant 89 minus 59. Ooh. Yeah, okay, 9, 6, and 5 must be working together. That's got to be it. Okay, 86 minus 59. That doesn't work either. 96 minus 59 would equal... Oh my god, I'm so close to this thing, just not working. All right, this has to... It has to start with 8, doesn't it? It does. I guess it doesn't. It can't start with 9. Yeah, no, so it does have to start with 8. 6 and 5, 60 and 50 are too small, I think. Like 60 minus 30 would equal 30, potentially, but I don't think the numbers work. I do like that. I like that something that ends in a 6 minus something that ends in a 9 ends in a 5. That seems like the only way that the subtraction is working. So I would like for the tens digits to be 4 apart. But then I don't know how to include an 8. And I can't start this with a 9. And this can't be... So this... They can't be 4 apart. So the tens digit can't be 4 apart, so this can't be 6 and 9. That just doesn't work. So what do I do? I might just like... This has to start with 8. I'm just going to fill this in. This doesn't work. So this equals 25. I just want to make sure that it starts with 8. I'm just like not... This just isn't computing in my brain. Oh, this ends in a 7. What was I thinking? Oh, 5. This could be a 5 and this could be a 6. But it can't end in 6, so I'm not even figuring out anything good, dude. I'm going to enter this and see if I get some structural things happening here. Okay. So it is 8 and 5. And this is 3. So the other numbers must be forced. I don't know what I'm missing here. So what other numbers do I need to get in here? So this has to be the bigger number. This has to be a 9. Right? Because the biggest number is definitely going to have to go here. There's no way for that not to be the case. So 89 minus 56 equals 33. Is that all? I think that's it. Okay. I'm a dingus. Excellent. All right. That's by Nerdle. This video is getting long. Okay, so mini by Nerdle, speed Nerdle, instant speed Nerdle, and instant Nerdle should be hopefully quick. Let's see what happens. All right, play now. Mini by Nerdle, 12 divided by Give me 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Both division, okay. And we have all of the numbers almost here. So 24 divided by 3 equals 8. Awesome. And this one, 8's kind of a weird number. 96 is divisible by 8, right? That's a double-digit number. 56 divided by 8 equals 7. 56. Awesome. Okay, that was smooth. Big by Nerdle kicked my butt. It was nice if mini by Nerdle would be nice. Okay, speed Nerdle. Let's see how fast we can do this thing. Oh, they give you one. Oh, it's a division problem. It equals a double-digit number, so it's going to have to be triple-digit number divided by single-digit number equals double-digit number, I think is the structure here. All we have is an 8. It has to be in the hundreds, right? It's not going to be some massive number. Maybe it will. Okay, all odd numbers and then an 8 is so weird. None of the even numbers involved, and we have an 8. So 180 divided by 9 equals, no, because that's going to equal an even number. How do you not have, there must be multiple 8s in this or something. I can't be dividing by 8 because then it would equal an even number. This sucks. This is throwing me for a loop. 180, 188. No, that's not going to work. Single digit number. It can't end in 8. The number being divided can't end in 8 or else it's going to equal an even number. There's just no way. I'm going to do, I don't even know. For the lack of a better understanding, I'm just going to do 180 divided by 9 equals 20. I hate this. I don't know what to do. It is divided by 9. The 8, oh, so it's going to be 800 something. And 1 isn't involved. Like 810 would have worked. 819 divided by 9 is 91. 819 divided by 9 equals 91. Oh my God, are you kidding me? I was sure. Oh, there couldn't have been a 1 in there, could there? I used 2 1s. Okay, so, yeah, okay. So the 8 had to go first. I should have been able to figure that out. Equals 90. So 93 times 9 would be 837. 837 divided by 93, or 9 equals 93. Excellent, dude. Awesome. Not a bad speed Nerdle. I think it's Sunday, so these are the hardest of the week. I think they get harder throughout the week. I don't think they these that's a tough math problem. So I think I've chosen to do this challenge on the hardest day of the week, unfortunately, which is kind of insane. Okay. Oh God. Oh, another Division 1. Okay, so Instant Nerdle is the hard, very hard. Involves a lot of thinking. So this 1 being here is weird, actually. So it has to be a double digit here, presumably, or yeah, division sign is going to have to go here. This can't be, it can't be a double digit here. This would be single digit. This is really strange. Maybe it is a single digit and then you're dividing by a double digit and then multiplying. That's the only thing I can think of that would work. So we were just dealing with 9s. I'm thinking 9 divided. Oh wait, no, I forgot we have all the numbers. We have everything. Okay, there's subtraction and division. I completely forgot how to play this game. Okay, we have everything in the equation right here. So there's division and subtraction. And somehow there's a 1 here, which seems very strange. Okay, well, it's division and subtraction. The equal sign has to go here because the number is going to be getting smaller the whole time. Even if we put a double digit here, when we divide it, it's going to have to equal a single digit number. Or, yeah, there's no other way. What's going to happen? What's going to happen here? Double digit number. I mean, this isn't going to be a triple digit number. So there's going to have to be a sign here. Yeah, we got to get the signs in here somehow. So sign here. I'm thinking it could be something divided by 1, but that seems weird. You have to follow PEMDAS, order of operations. This 1 is really strange because it kind of feels like we have to divide by 1, but then we're not going to be able to subtract enough to make anything work. And it's not going to be -1, and the 1 can't be divided here. Like, division can't go here. I don't have any idea what's going on with this equation. 72 is divisible by 9. Just, like, thinking about, like, obviously things have to be divisible here somehow. But, like, you can't even fit any of that in here, which is really weird. Like, there's no way for us to do something like that, because there has to be a 1 here. So, like, the divisibility aspect of this is really strange. We can't do a double digit divided by a double digit, because that doesn't leave room for subtraction. We can't. Where this 1 is placed is really, really weird. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to do 1 divided by 2. It could be. Okay, this could be a double digit divided by something here. That would make the most sense, actually. That's got to be what it is, actually. So what ends in a 1? So this has to be division, I feel like. 21 divided by. Yeah, there it is. Oh, no. Wait. Yeah. 9 minus 21 divided by 7 equals 6. Whew, God, okay. That was interesting. Okay. Took a long time. That's a half hour. It took me 31 minutes to do all of those. I'm going to cut this video down hopefully a little bit to make it a little more watchable. But I'll be figuring out how to make these Nerdle challenges work a little better. Those seemed really hard. I think Sundays are really hard, but whatever. I don't know. Maybe I'll give the same thing a try tomorrow and see if I can do it in a lot faster time. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.